Good day, please introduce me yourself.
I am Bernadette Liad, 34 years old, single, with one children, ages 13 years old, living at Bantog Rojas, Isabela. I have one brother. I am high school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I'm working I'm working abroad as domestic helper for 10 years. To a couple, 6 kids. I do all the household chore, cleaning, washing, ironing, washing car, and my main duty are taking care of children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
no,
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
none.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to go abroad for provide my family needs.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My family.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 a.m. if my work is done. I woke up around 5 a.m.
Okay, are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active when they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calming.
Okay, do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. If I'm willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, yes, Papa.
Okay.
Telling lies, no, Papa.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope you select me as a helper. I'm a hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve to your family with all my best. Thank you.